Hello, families from room 1 and room 2. Your summer curriculum bags are here. So I'm going to just get into it and let you know what's going to be in your bags this summer. So we have a science activity, which is going to be the Pinata Kit. All the instructions are here and all the materials are here for you to have fun in the summer and make a piñata. You're going to have a learning kit, and this kit is pretty heavy. It has lots of materials in here like cards and manipulatives and pencils and crayons and journals, and all there's instructions in the back, and then all the skills that they'll be learning. And so that would be your learning kit. Then you'll have another kit in here that has like puzzles and books and scissors and crayons. And then you'll have this activity book talking about germs and how to be safe. Then you're going to get a kit here that's for the adults. It's a Head Start kit, and I have like a mask and hand sanitizer in there for you. Then you'll get a folder with your child's name on it, and in this folder will be your class pictures that we put together for you, and then your child's certificate for the year, and then a little cap for them to wear. And if your child's going to kindergarten, you'll have more resources in here for kindergarten readiness for the summer. And then finally, we'll be having our end of the year celebrations. So for room 2, that'll be next week Thursday around 6 p.m. And then room 1 will be Teacher Alicia will give you guys more information about your guys' end of the year Zoom celebration. But you'll have these kits to celebrate during your celebration time here. And then you'll also get a gross motor kit. And then this gross motor kit, you guys will have dice, and then balls, and these little feet, and then all the instructions will be in here on these cards. And that's it for that's going to be in your summer curriculum bags. So next week, Monday, for room 2, you'll be able to pick these bags up from 8 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. And then there'll be a pause in between where nobody will be available to come outside the center. And then from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. you could pick up. And it's going to actually be at the new center, and I'll be sending more information about that in a text message. For Teacher Alicia's class, for room 1, you guys will be picking up on Tuesday, and she'll be sending you guys more information about that. And when you guys pick up, if you guys can, please bring back or return the cap and gowns that we loaned you for the kids that were going to kindergarten. You could drop those off when you pick up summer bags. And then the tablets that were loaned to you at the beginning of the semester, you guys could return those on Monday and Tuesday as well. And Supervisor Opie will be there to collect those. If you guys do need those for the end of the year celebration, please let Teacher Alicia or I know, so that way we can make other arrangements to return the tablets. And if you guys have any other questions, please reach out to me or Teacher Alicia, Teacher Veronica, Teacher Sabina. We want to wish you guys a wonderful summer, and we'll see you guys all for the end of the year celebration. Thank you.